everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing, delicious, simple recipe. Is pasta recipe. So I'm going to be using this pasta. This big pasta is what I'm going to be using. It's called Paccheri in Italian. Normally I love this pasta with seafood a lot, but today I'm not going to be making them with seafood. I'm going to be making them with just tomatoes and olive. If you've been following me, you know I love to make pasta or spaghetti with olive a lot, because olive gives the pasta a particular flavor that is so delicious. So if you want to see how I make this pasta, keep watching. So the ingredients I'm going to be using are just simple ingredients. I'm going to be using this cube tomatoes. This one is the cube one, but you can use the other one, okay? And I have the olive I'm using in here. It's not a black olive, it's this kind of I will show you the color of the olive. So I'm going to be using this fish. I'm going to be leaving the name description, okay? It's a fish with oil. I'm going to be leaving the name of the fish, okay? Let me not bite my tongue. So I have some parsley here. I'm going to be using some Paccheri, salt, extra virgin of olive oil, the pasta, and also I'm going to be using garlic as well. So these are just the ingredients I'm going to be using for this pasta. So now let's get to the cooking. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do to fasten the process, make sure you put water over the heat for the pasta, okay, before you proceed to the sauce, because the pasta normally cooks more. So over a pan, I'm going to add extra virgin of olive oil. Allow the oil to heat up. Then I'm going to add clove of garlic. Like, you can use 2 big cloves of garlic, okay? Then I'm going to add the Capri that I'm using. Then I'm going to add the olive. This is the color of the olive I was talking about. It's like pinkish olive. This olive has more flavor when cooking with it than the black or green one. So now I added the fish into it, and I'm going to stir everything together. Like, allow them to cook until that fish melts inside, okay? Then I throw in some pepper. The reason I throw it like this is because I just want to get the flavor, because my son don't like too much pepper. So yeah, but if you like pepper, you can go ahead and chop them little by little and add them into this. The pepper add extra flavor to the sauce. So as you can see, the fish is well melted, and I added the 1 can of the tomatoes. So stir everything together and taste if the salt is enough. Don't add salt immediately, because the salt from the Capri, from the fish, and from the olive is much, but I'm adding salt now because I've tasted if the salt is enough. It wasn't enough. So after adding the salt, I stir everything and put that thing on. It's like a lid to prevent the salt from sparkling everywhere. So I just stir them. I'm going to allow the sauce to cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. So while the sauce is cooking, I'm going to add salt into the water for pasta. Then I'm going to go ahead now to add the pasta into the water. Like, if you can't get this big pasta, you can use normal pasta for this. Like, this pasta set to cook for 20 minutes. Yes. So I'm going to allow the pasta to cook while I'm checking the sauce. Like I said, I'm cooking the sauce on a low heat, like the lowest heat. The sauce is almost cooked. I'm just stirring them to make sure that everything is going well. So now I'm adding a little bit of parsley inside. You can add more parsley into it, or you can skip if you don't like the taste of parsley. I'm stirring everything together, and I'm going to off the heat because the pasta is cooking for 20 minutes. So here the pasta is cooked. I turn on this heat of the sauce again, added the pasta. So it's time for me to mix everything together. I mix the sauce and the pasta together. This is so delicious, guys. It's very simple to do. It takes not less than 25 minutes to put this together, and the taste is so amazing. You need to give this pasta a try, believe me. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoy watching. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, share, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.